This property is a 5-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 1/2 bath, colonial. This property is listed for $375,000. Interior features of this property include wood flooring, a gas fireplace, a finished basement, a heat pump, crown molding, natural gas heat, a kitchen island, and a water filter system. On the outside, this property features an attached garage, a porch, and a deck. The approximate square footage is 3,370 square feet. This property is represented by
Jim Thompson, Long and Foster Weather and Associates.